Welcome back. If you want to know how to download and install Postman on Windows or on Linux or Mac, then you are in the right place. Let's begin. In the browser, you can type Postman download. The first one is the official website. Click on this one. As I am using Windows machine, I am getting the prompt for Windows 64-bit. So click on this one and it will start downloading. It will take a while. As you can see, the download is completed. Just click on this exe. Minimize the browser and you can see the Postman icon is installed in the desktop. And it will take a while to launch the Postman window. Now you can see the Postman application is up and running. As I have already installed Postman on my machine, so I directly get the window once I click on the Postman icon. In your case, as you are using it first time, it will ask you for the new user sign in option. So you can create a new account or you can use your Gmail account to do the login. Once the login is successful, then you can get this window. To understand how to use Postman, I have created a separate video. Please follow that thing if you want more information on this in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it.